I'm Robert Bell, and we're here with WTA members, friends, and colleagues at the IBC 2014 show, looking at the vast changes taking place in the media and entertainment industry and how those are going to shape the future for teleport operators worldwide.
Definitely changing. We cannot ignore anymore the implementation and the coming in of the, we call it type of clients which we used to access through the laptop, like Google and others, and they became today one of our clients. YouTube, Google, name it. So applications like over-the-top, IPTV, and the web broadcaster became a real target for us, an innovative type of client, which is completely changed the rule of what we are aiming to do in the next few years. The existing customers looking for more over-the-top application, second channel, tier 2, tier 3 type of channel of their existing content to use, because usually they're using their own material, 20% going to the original channel. The remain is at the storehouse, the storage. So now they have the ability to use it and to use it also commercially for other applications. And this is one client. The other type of client is those who was usually a web-based broadcaster and now looking to be more in the nature of a broadcast playout oriented company, not just an everybody puts the material and then now it's a schedule, it's going to be a re-transcoding to many devices, to what devices, and not it's rebranding the same content. It's a very interesting market. I believe that we have to we have to build an industry where young people will join into the market, to our industry, and not going to the ground segment cellular market. And I believe that we are on the right track when when broadband is meeting the broadcast. Yep. I will take, for an example, Fashion TV. Fashion TV is a worldwide well-known channel, and now they can do over-the-top application where there will be a version for fashion. You can punch in and you can dig into the channel and then get from Amazon, purchase it and get it on the mail to you. So this is one example of what we are working now with Fashion TV to expand the ability to get more revenue from the same product line. For example, we're providing worldwide coverage to a niche, very niche market, which is super mega yacht owners. We follow whenever they track. We follow either the yacht, either the SNG, either the Safari. So we following with them and bringing them the triple play, meaning that's their internet base, their fixed line connectivity, and probably they own some TV channels as well. So we're doing this triple play operation already several years, and it is really very high-end quality service because they have many choices. And we are very pleased that we are leading that market. It is something that definitely I'm trying to avoid as much as possible, because technology help from one side, it helps us to implement and to support our customer with the best solution available in the market. On the other hand, it is a huge capex investments, and we have to be very careful that what we're buying today will not replace within 2-3 years. So we're trying to do that the majority of the expenses will be a baseline. Then at the edge we will replace it to modify to the market. And example is the HD, 3D and 4K, for example, which everything has to be completely changed. You cannot offer 4K with the 3D equipment. So we need to be very careful. But on the transmission side, doesn't matter for us if it's a 4K, if it's a 3D or an HD, we are comply and design our system to accept any kind of bandwidth. I believe that the market today, I don't have to go to the future in order to make a conclusion. There is more megabits than megahertz we are providing today. Definitely. Either by our network for fiber optic to support the market, or either by end user support. Definitely the market, when it comes to IP, it will come to a megabit, and it's already there, and we're using more megabits in the ground than megahertz above ground. I believe that also in the satellite we will go to a megabit when Ka will be implemented more heavily, and at the moment the break-even point is the equipment, ground equipment segment cost. When this will be reduced, I believe that the margin between fiber and a Ka-band and megabit per megabit comparison will reduce, and this is what I believe will happen. And also thanks to some satellite operators that's looking to reduce satellite cost.